Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, so I'm going to reintroduce myself. I'm Isabella Gosti, I am Italian and I'm a software developer and freelance illustrator. Today I am very excited to come back to YouTube and share with you my 10 current favorite Procreate tips, tricks and tools that have proven to be game changers in my work as a freelance illustrator. So let's begin. One of my all-time favorite Procreate tools is Quick Menu that is very useful for streamlining your workflow. You can customize it with your most used tools, like I did here with Flip Horizontally that allows you to flip the whole canvas horizontally, New Layer to create new layers, and Reference to open the reference tool. But you can also use it to easily switch between brushes without breaking your creative flow and a lot of other things. To customize your own quick menu, you can go to Actions, Prefs, Gesture Control, Quick Menu. I customized mine so that it opens whenever I touch my canvas with one finger, but you can choose between lots of other options. Once you pick a gesture for it, you can make it appear and customize each action by long pressing on the respective button. As you can see, there are a lot of different options to choose from. You can select up to 6 per menu. If you feel like you need more, you can create other quick menus by tapping on the center button and then on the plus icon. You can also rename a quick menu by tapping on it again or delete it by swiping left on it. Next up is the Curves tool that you can find in the Adjustments menu. This tool is very useful not only for adjusting colors in the final stages of the illustration process, but also to quickly colorize gray or black line art. I always incorporate my sketch lines into my illustrations, so I like to colorize them beforehand using this tool to make them blend in better with the rest of the palette. Layer masks are another powerful tool that allows you to make non-destructive edits to your layers. I use them whenever I want to hide parts of a layer, like my sketch lines for example, or as an alternative to clipping mask. Since you can't clip a layer onto a layer that's already clipped to another one, you can achieve the same behavior by selecting your reference layer and use it as a layer mask on your new one. If you, like me, like to merge all your layers together to work on a single one near the end of your drawing process, but you want to make sure to keep copies of all your layers in case you need to go back to previous versions of them, it's likely that you've run into Procreate's annoying layer limit while trying to duplicate them. A workaround to this issue is using the Copy and Paste menu that pops up after swiping down with 3 fingers. Among the options available, the Copy All one will allow you to copy everything that is currently visible on your canvas, so basically take a screenshot of it. Then, if you swipe down with 3 fingers again, you can click Paste to paste your entire canvas onto a single new layer without having to duplicate anything. Procreate's Selection tool comes with several useful features. You can make automatic selections of parts of your drawing that have the same color. You can save selections for later use. Color fill selections with the active color visible in the upper right corner, and even feather the edges of your selections for a softer look. When adding text to an image, it can happen that parts of it get lost in the background. In these cases, I like to add an outline to the text to make it pop. If you need just a subtle outline, you can use Procreate's outline feature. But if you, like me, like thicker outlines better, you can instead follow these steps. Duplicate your text, use Gaussian blur on it, choose your preferred color for the outline, tap on the Selection tool, select Automatic and Color Fill modes, and drag your pen left or right onto the text based on the amount of thickness you desire. This trick is very useful to quickly create outlines for drawings too, and I always use it for my stickers. Pencil mode is an indispensable tool in case you want to make adjustments only to certain parts of your illustration instead of the whole canvas or the whole layer. It's available for every tool in the adjustments menu, but I mainly use it near the end of my drawing process to add a chromatic aberration effect in some areas of my canvas. After entering pencil mode, you can select your preferred brush and then basically draw strokes wherever you want the effect to show in your illustration. Another feature that blew my mind, that I always use and helps me save a huge amount of time, is the continuous color filling. If you need to fill different areas of your illustration with the same color, you don't actually need to use the color drop tool on every single one, but you can instead use color drop once, then click on the continue filling button that appears at the top of the canvas, and then tap on every area that you want to fill. The fit to canvas feature is a must when you need to quickly adapt your drawings to a different canvas size. If used in normal mode, it allows you to fit the drawing to the new canvas while keeping the drawing entirely visible. Instead, if used with magnetics on, it allows you to fit the drawing to the new canvas, making sure that it fills the canvas up entirely. I like to use this tool whenever I need to print out one of my illustrations, but its size doesn't match my actual paper size. So I create a new canvas, paste my illustration in it, and then adapt it to my canvas with the magnetics feature turned on so that I don't leave any white spaces. Last but not least, favorite Procreate feature for this video is the brush cursor that is very helpful if you, like me, like to keep track of your brush's size and shape while using it. To set up this feature, you can go to Actions, Prefs, and turn on Brush Cursor. If you tap on Advanced Cursor Settings, you can customize the cursor even further, including outline style and hovering feature. My iPad is from 2021, so it doesn't have it, but the newest iPad models basically allow you to preview the brush cursor not only when you're actually using it, but also when you're hovering over the screen with an Apple Pencil. And there you have it, 10 of my current favorite Procreate tips, tricks and tools for freelance illustrators. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, I hope you found these techniques helpful for taking your digital art to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!